the double bunker of us. We will give you a tour. Here's my room.
We'll give everybody a day
And
off.
here's Derek's room. How good is that? We're still finding a bathroom. But anyways, that good so far? I better go put this back on charge. Just add this for your sponsor. The sponsor right here is added.
Yeah, sponsor.
I also got commercials in my videos.
Sponsor, son.
Sponsor.
Sponsor, son.
Sponsor. Oh, okay. Let's get back to the action. They're just gonna make some weird noises over here. Do the thing where you did the funny noise when they went to the and a couple videos ago from yesterday. I mean today, this morning. Do it again. Excuse me. Remember? What's this?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You should show your back.
Hold on. Paper. Hold on. Make some weird noises.
Ooh, this weird noise is terrorizing me.
Okay.
Ooh, this weird noise is terrorizing. My friend is
Okay.
terrorizing
It's back to me. You just saying terrorization?
My friend is terrorizing me.
Yeah.
My friend is terrorizing me.
How could this happen to me? Anyway, subscribe, like, comment down below. What's your name?
And as your name, you should put
Like this video.
Subscribe, Dennis.
Sketch, Sub, Alex, Coral, and Gualadus. And all those worlds.
Because who knows if they're famous or not, except for just subscribe. Because
And subscribe to PewDiePie. He's the highest subscriber man.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is. 55 million subscribers.
Yeah, there's someone that